Hey guys, what's up? I just recently ordered this organic dandelion root from Amazon. I've just been reading about all of the benefits of dandelion root and wanting to make my own teas. So I thought I would take a look at it with you for the first time so we can kind of see what we're getting, because I'm really curious. This is my first time ordering dandelion root and using it for my own teas, and so I thought, well, what's this gonna look like? And so I just thought I'd open it up with you guys. Let's have a look, see what we're getting here. And okay, so let's really get in there so that you can see, and I'll pull some of this out. I'm thinking that I will use like a pastel. Is that how you say it? I think that's how you say it. These are what the pieces look like. We'll look closely at that. To kind of like grind it up a little more. And then I have this cool little coffee maker that can also work for teas, where I can put my own type of grounds and tea leaves and things in. And so I'm excited to try this. Let me give it a smell. Smells nice, relatively like mild smelling. I didn't really know, honestly, what dandelion root was going to smell like. So I like that it smells like not overbearing. You know how some things like nettle can smell like licorice and stuff. And so I just wasn't really sure. But this is really nice. And I think it's going to go well in some teas, and hopefully is really overall helpful. But yeah, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.